Here's a chart of the market shares of the big AI models. Now, Anthropic's Claude and OpenAI's ChatGPT have around 40% each, with Claude having just overtaken ChatGPT, while Gemini, xAI's Grok and China's DeepSeek bring up the rear. Now, xAI is owned by SpaceX, which is just listed, so for the first time we've got a fairly clean picture of what the market thinks the business of AI is worth. Now, the SpaceX float was priced at $1.77 trillion or 2.5 trillion Aussie, and it traded at 2 trillion US on day one, hit 3 trillion on day two, and is now around about 2.5 trillion. So if SpaceX is worth 2.5 trillion US, what does that mean for Anthropic and OpenAI? Well, here's what. Now, clearly those numbers are very silly. That would mean those two companies are worth half the value of the entire American share market. And SpaceX is more than xAI and its struggling large language model, Grok, although the prospectus did say that 93% of its total addressable market of 28.5 trillion US would be from artificial intelligence, so it's quite valid. But the main reason it's silly is that AI is not a very good business. Not yet, anyway. The whole industry's cash flow is collapsing at the same time as capital expenditure is soaring. And now it looks like a price war is breaking out between them, with the Wall Street Journal reporting that OpenAI is considering drastic price cuts. And little wonder. As with many industries, China is the problem. The price per million tokens, which is the currency of AI, of the Chinese model DeepSeek, is a fraction of the prices of Claude, ChatGPT, Grok and Gemini. And meanwhile, business customers of the American ones are getting a severe case of bill shock as their AI invoices come in. So they're looking to cut costs and finding that DeepSeek may not be quite as good as Claude, but it's good enough. At a guess, I'd say the companies will end up being worth less and we'll end up paying more.